Cute and easy Halloween cupcakes.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Makes 12.
Hello everyone, starting off with the bat, you will need some Oreo cookie halves with the cream removed. Just take the Oreo cookie and you're going to cut it in half. Now the best way to do this is just do a very gentle sawing motion with like a steak knife until it gets down into the cookie a little bit, and then it should just split apart nice and evenly. Shake off the crumbs, and then you'll need these miniature peanut butter cups. Put a dab or two of chocolate on the top of it. That's going to be the glue that's going to hold on the bat wings. Place the Oreo cookie halves on the peanut butter cup, and then just press and hold for a few seconds, and then that chocolate will set fairly quickly, and then those are nicely attached. Now for the eyes, I'm using candy eyeballs, so those are 2 dabs of melted chocolate and then some eyeballs. Very simple, very cute. Now, how to attach these to a cupcake? Well, what I decided to do was to take a toothpick and just poke a small hole through the peanut butter cup wrapper and into the peanut butter cup. Do it gently because you don't want it to fall apart. And then I inserted a lollipop stick. Now the reason I used the lollipop stick and not a toothpick is that I wanted the bats to stick out above the cupcake. And the toothpick itself is very short, and also these are kind of heavy and they have a tendency to flop over if they're just sitting in the frosting. Now for the other little monster, very simple miniature marshmallows. You're just going to stick toothpicks in them, and then on one end of the marshmallow you're going to add a little dollop of chocolate and then stick on a candy eye. And then all you have to do is just insert these into your cupcakes. I frosted these with 3 different colors. I actually used the leftover frosting I had when I made that Halloween layer cake with the little ghosts on top and all the little googly eyes. So just for the monster eyes on stalks, you just stick them in. Very cute, simple little cupcake. And then for the bats, you just stick those in. As you can see, with when you put a little bit of frosting on there, you want the bat to stick up above it like it's flying. And there they are, very cute, very simple, and I think kids would love them. I have many cupcakes on a playlist on my channel for Halloween. Some of them are simple and some of them are a little bit more complicated. If you're looking for some ideas, go check them out. Thanks for watching.